So this I have explained, 0 is not there on the right-hand side. But now I'm going to explain the same thing. 0 is there on the right-hand side, equals to 0. So let's start with this. X squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Make factors of 6. Factors of 6 are this. The third term is 6. 1 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 3. As we have discussed it before also, 2 multiplied by 3 will go here. 3 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 3. What is the reason? Why we have selected this? The reason is plus 3 minus 2 will give you the middle term 1. What is the middle term here? It is 1x. Okay, if nothing is there with 1, obviously 1 is there. If nothing is there with x, 1 is always there. Plus 3 and minus 2 will give you plus 1. So let's select this. X squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Taking common from the first two terms, x is common, x plus 3 is left in the bracket. Taking common from the last two terms, minus 2 is common, and x plus 3 is left in the bracket, equals to 0. Now x plus 3, x minus 2. You can write x minus 2 also first, equals to 0. So this is the solution set. X plus 3 equals to 0, and x minus 2 equals to 0. Here, x equals to minus 3, and here x equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. X equals to plus 2 here, because minus 2 will go on other side. It will give you x equals to plus 2. This one and this one is a solution set. Now, let's take another question. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. We have to make factors of the third term, 6. The factors are 1 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 3. These are the factors of 6. Out of these two, we have to select 1. So by this sign will play the role. Adding the two factors, you have to get the middle term 5. Right? So adding the two factors, you will get the middle term 5. So this is the correct choice. Plus 2 and plus 3 will give you 5. Let's start. Plus 2x or plus 3x, anything can be written first. I'm writing 2x first. 3x plus 6 equals to 0. Taking common, x is common, x plus 2 is left inside the bracket. Plus 3 is common here. Again, x plus 2 is left inside the bracket. As we have discussed it before, x plus 2 and x plus 2, these two brackets should be same. And yes, they are same. So x plus 3 in first bracket and x plus 2 in another bracket. So what are the answers? X plus 3 equals to 0. It means x equals to minus 3. X plus 2 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. Right? So this and this, these are the two solution sets. X equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. Let's take another question now. X squared plus 9x plus 20. This is the quadratic equation. You have to make factors of the third term. What is the third term? It's 20. Let's make factors of 20. 1 multiplied by 20. Then 2 multiplied by 10. And after that, in table of 3, no, it's not there. What about table of 4? Yes. 4 5s are 20. These are the three factors. 1 multiplied by 20, 2 multiplied by 10, and 4 multiplied by 5. Out of these three, you have to select one. So again, check this sign. The sign is plus. Adding. Adding the two factors, you will get 9. You have to get 9. That will be the correct choice. So this is the correct choice. 4 multiplied by 5. After adding 4 and 5, you will get 9. So let's start with 4 and 5. X squared plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. X is a common factor here. X plus 4 is left in the bracket. Now take a common factor from the last two terms. 5 is common. X plus 4 is left in the bracket. So x plus 4, x plus 5. These are the two factors of the solution set, x plus 4 and x plus 5. Now suppose the teacher has given you equal to 0. So you can also do like this, x plus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to -4 and x is equal to -5. These are the two solution set. X is equal to -4 and x is equal to -5. How to verify? How to check your answer? You have to substitute x equals to -4 in the given question here. And you have to substitute x equals to -5 in the given question, x squared plus 9x plus 20, and you will get 0, right? So this is the thing when you do verification, when you check your answer yourself. Let's take another question. In the next question, I will verify. Now, x squared plus 10x plus 9. Make factors of 9. The third term is 9. Okay, so what are the factors of 9? 1 multiplied by 9. In the table of 2, no, 9 is not there. 1 multiplied by 9, only one factor is there. And this is the only factor which we can take. Plus sign. Again, plus sign is very important. When you will add 1 and 9, you are going to get the middle term 10. This is the middle term 10. Okay, so plus 1 plus 9 will give you plus 10. Right, plus 10 is there, which is the middle term. So just start with this. 9x, you can write 1x also. It will not make any difference. Plus x plus 9. So taking common, x is common, and what is left? X plus 9. When nothing is common, 1 is common. Okay, so please learn this. When you are watching that nothing is common, it means 1 is a common factor. What is left in the bracket? X plus 9. So this bracket and this bracket, the two terms are same. It means this is the correct factorization. X plus 1, x plus 9. These are the two solution set, x plus 1 and x plus 9. And here we are going to see how to verify, how to check our answer. x plus 1 and x plus 9. Suppose it is equated to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it means that x is equal to -1. When 1 will come on the right-hand side, so plus 1 will become -1. And x plus 9 is equal to 0. So 9 will go on another side and it will become -9. -1 and -9. -1 and -9. These are the two solution set. I'm going to substitute in the given quadratic equation, the given question, and you're going to get a 0. Okay, so let's do it. X equals to -1 and x equals to -9 in the given question. X squared plus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. You're going to substitute x equals to -1 and x equals to -9. So substitution of -1, x equals to -1, +9. What is the square of -1? The square of -1 is 1. 10 multiplied by -1 will give you -10. And here you can see 1 minus 10 is -9. -9 and +9 will give you 0. And 0 is there on the right-hand side. And 0 again you are getting. Okay, it means x equals to -1 is the correct solution set. Now we are going to substitute x equals to -9. X squared plus 10x plus 9. We are going to substitute -9. In place of x, write -9. And let's see, you're going to get 0 or not. 0 is there on the right-hand side, so left-hand side and right-hand side will be same. It means that your answer is correct. What is the square of -9? It is 81. 10 multiplied by -9 will give you -90. 81 minus 90 will be -9. -9 plus 9 will give you 0. And 0 is already there on the right-hand side. And 0 again you are getting. It means that x equals to -9 is also the verified answer. Thank you so much. If you have understood something in today's video, so inshallah, let's meet next time with another topic. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.